start this whole thing of recording videos and uploading it sometime later probably, but it's important to record videos. So on Voot, there is this Voot, the app. There is this show called Gone Game, that has Sanjay Kapoor, Shreya Pilgaonkar, and a host of Shweta Tripathi, and a host of others. Shweta Tripathi Sharma, I think, it's a long name. Ruksar, there's this another Indian TV actress. So, and Lubna Salim, these are the main characters. And it is such an interesting show, yeah, because this entire show was made during the lockdown phase. Now, so it's when you're watching it, you don't, I mean, it's just one of the most it's a thriller. It's one of the most exciting thrillers you could watch. And the entire thing has been shot through phones, so it's just on those bases it's worth watching. So try and catch it, people. It's called Gone Game, and it's on the Voot app. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.